Hi guys, today I'm going to replace the slide lock on my Smith & Wesson SD9 VE. This is the California version. This is an extended slide lock I picked up from eBay, stainless steel, around 10-11 bucks. The one on it is fairly short, similar to Glock but a lot shorter, so I figure I make the change. This version, the California one, let's just make sure that it's in the chamber, it's not loaded. Lock it in. You gotta deactivate the Sear, which is this guy right here. I don't know if you can see it, but all you gotta do is push it down. I have a plastic pen, I don't want to have metal and scratch it up. All you gotta do is push it. Once that's done, needs a little force, and then after that it's just a typical takedown. There we go. So the slide lock is held with this bar right here, this green. All you gotta do is push it down, and it should slide right out. It's not sliding out. There we go. So this is the old one, or the original one I should say. And I'm just going to compare it. Let's see how big it is. And just slightly longer. Not too much, but just enough. So the smooth side is going to be towards the end of the barrel. All we gotta do is, and this thing is springy, so make sure it doesn't pop out when you're making the change. And it will lock itself in. There we go. Much better. Wow, night and day difference. Okay. Let's do it again. Wow. All right. Perfect. All right, guys. Seems like it's a good fit, functions properly, and thanks for watching.